Hello, welcome back to Build It Brad. We're going to do things a little differently. We're going to switch over to what I do when I'm not working on the 37 hot rod here. We do upholstery. And what we're going to do is we're going to work on removing this convertible top and putting on a new one. I'll show you that along the way. We're going to take a little walk around, show you it before we get going on it, put you on a time lapse. You can see there's holes and stuff in it, and you know, this is all coming loose. There's holes in the back window. Just gonna do a little walk around here. You can see the back window's pretty well shot. Another big hole on this side. It's also coming loose down here. But we're gonna go through. We're gonna take all this item and all the windlace, this piece of item, all of this. We're gonna take that all off and show you what it looks like once it's all done. Stay tuned. All right, we got the front half pulled off. We got all the item removed. They were all pretty rusty, so they kind of just, I was able just to pull it off, as you might see in the time lapse. But if you want, I just use a nice staple puller and, you know, it's side cutters, and we'll get all these staples removed and cleaned up and see what all the tack strip looks like underneath that. But we're going to continue, put you back on a time lapse, continue getting all this removed, and we'll stop and show you where we're at after that. All right, we got the top off. I was starting to pluck a few of the staples back here, but we just ended up just ripping the top off. It needs to be all replaced anyways, so we're gonna continue on and get this back window removed. Let's get to it. All right, we almost got it all removed. We gotta clean up a lot of staples yet, but they just kind of ripped off, so we just completely ripped it off. Usually we pull the staples as we go, but the last thing is to take these top pads off. We got to take these brackets off, and then we got new ones that will just get stapled back on. All right, let's finish it up. All right, we got the frame all cleaned up. We got all new tack strips put in. They were all pretty bad. The new pad or support pads are in. We did touch up the frame. We did paint it. Again, new tack strips all the way around. New tack strips on the rear bow. We got some stainless staples holding those pads on. As you can see, we can walk all the way around. Got these all stapled on. So, ready to start putting the top on it. That'll be the next process. I'll do a little time lapse of that so you can see the process as I'm going. We'll update you after we get another step completed.